Okay, so now we're at 1014. I'm going to enter through the closest one to the wall of the property that sweeps out toward the sewer line. Zero this out. Okay, so we're 0. And we've entered the line toward the sewer. This is all normal. That connection looks good. So the reason why the code says that we have to have the right slope on the pipe is because if it's sloped too steep, then the water will leave the solids behind. And if it's not sloped enough, then of course everything will just sit in there. So the International Plumbing Code has said that on a 4-inch line, an 1/8 inch drop per foot is standard. Most other lines are a 1/4 inch drop per foot, but this looks very, very good. All PVC, all normal. This looks very clean. Some dimples are normal in the PVC. This looks very clean. It's really straight. It's only allowed 135 feet of curve. On the pipe or the vent. This is all nice because it's so clean. And then that just drops down into the sewer tap, which is all newer too. It's just going to be a drop down right to the sewer tap. These are really clean joints. And then that's into the sewer tap. The green is the sewer tap. So this is all in really, really good shape. It's all brand new.